Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to seam crochet using the mattress stitch. I'm going to place my yarn needle through the back loop only of a corner chain on this left granny square. Then I will go through the back loop only on the corresponding chain on the right square. Then I will continue to go through the back loop only from left to right until I get to the top of the squares. When you reach the top end of the granny squares, you can pull both ends tight so that it joins them together and you don't see any stitches. It blends in with the side seams. You can see on the back there you can't really see any stitches, and on the front there's a seamless join. So that's how you join crochet with the mattress stitch. I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial. For more tutorials and lots of free patterns and free printables, including granny square patterns, please visit my website. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching.